At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a giveaway business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Market research. Understand your target audience and their interests. Identify the types of giveaways that would appeal to them. 2. Legal considerations. Consult with a legal expert to understand the regulations and requirements for running giveaways in your jurisdiction. This might include rules around taxes, permits, and any restrictions on certain types of prizes. 3. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, revenue streams, and marketing strategy. This will serve as a roadmap for your business. 4. Choose a niche. Decide on the specific niche or theme for your giveaways. This could be anything from beauty products to tech gadgets to travel experiences. 5. Source prizes. Establish relationships with suppliers, manufacturers, or sponsors who can provide prizes for your giveaways. Negotiate deals that allow you to acquire prizes at a discount or for free in exchange for exposure. 6. Platform selection. Determine where you'll host your giveaways. This could be on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, or through your own website or app. 7. Build an audience. Start building a following on your chosen platforms by creating engaging content related to your niche. This will help attract participants to your giveaways. 8. Promotion. Use social media, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and other promotional channels to spread the word about your giveaways and attract participants. 9. Set rules and guidelines. Clearly outline the rules and guidelines for entering your giveaways, including eligibility criteria, entry methods, and deadlines. Make sure these rules comply with legal requirements. 10. Manage giveaways. Once your giveaways are live, actively manage them by monitoring entries, answering questions from participants, and ensuring fairness and transparency throughout the process. 11. Follow up. After each giveaway, announce the winners publicly and follow up with them to arrange prize delivery. Engage with participants to maintain their interest and loyalty. 12. Evaluate and improve. Regularly evaluate the performance of your giveaways to identify what's working and what's not. Use this feedback to continuously improve your strategies and offerings. Remember, building a successful giveaway business takes time, effort, and dedication. Stay focused on providing value to your audience and creating memorable experiences through your giveaways. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.